Welcome. I'm Ian Calhoun and I'm here with Andrew Welker, and today we have some pretty exciting news. We're introducing all of our bookshelf, tower, and subwoofer series products in a wireless version. And these wireless products are actually complete systems, so they include the speakers, the amplifier, the pre-amplifier, and the AxiomAir streaming capability over Wi-Fi. So it's a whole system. All you need to do is plug each speaker into the wall, and there's a little module that works as a switcher. So this means that you can plug your TV into the little module, any other sort of analog input, and from the AxiomAir app or web UI, you'll be able to actually select TV, analog, or wireless. So it's pretty exciting news, and when you're in the wireless mode, of course, you'll have be able to stream over Airplay, UPnP. You'll be able to have music on a NAS hooked up to your network. And you'll also have multi-rooms. So you could have a portable AxiomAir, maybe a couple of these systems in various rooms. And they'll all show up on the app down at the bottom. You just push the button as to which one you want to control. Or you could group them together and control them all at the same time. So the system, one transmitter would do a pair of speakers and a subwoofer. So you could have a 2.0 system or a 2.1 system, and it's all wireless. So I'll let Andrew speak a bit more to the technical nature of all of the products. And thanks very much for listening.
So this is as Ian mentioned, we're quite excited about this because it's a product we've had customers asking for a long time. Wires are just not cool, particularly if you've got, systems in a secondary part of your home. You don't want to actually run wires and drill holes in your floor or run them through the walls. And we now have the capability with this modern technology to deliver CD quality sound for a stereo or stereo plus subwoofer system. So the heart of the system is the transmitter preamplifier, and this is a complete preamplifier with multiple inputs, and I can show you on the back here. We have a pair of analog inputs, standard, any device. You have a turntable, you can plug your phono stage into that, tape recorder, pretty much anything with a line level output you can plug in there. There's an optical input which will take an optical digital signal. And then, of course, there's all the AxiomAir functionality and all the streaming capability that Ian mentioned. Now, on the front of the unit, you have control over volume, up and down, mute, input switching. All of those controls are available, and there's indicator lights to tell you what input you're on. But all of those controls are also duplicated on the app. So whether or not you have a computer in front of you and you go to the web UI, or you've got your phone in front of you, doesn't matter. You can go up to the device and switch the inputs without having any device in your hands, which is actually another thing that people have been asking us for. Now, the speakers, here we have an M3, an M5, and an M80. More models will be coming later, and of course, all of our subwoofer line, DSP subwoofers, can have this technology built into them as well. They're fully powered, completely amplified, 60-watt amplifier in the M3, a 200-watt amplifier in the M5, and a 500-watt amplifier in the M80. What's cool about that is that gives you actually more power than our ADA 1250 in the M80. So this is going to be a superb sounding system. You can think about also placing subwoofers with the system. The same transmitter will control the subwoofer. The subwoofers, though, only receive the low frequency signal. So all of that is integrated fingertip control, either from the unit or on your phone, your tablet, whatever. And like I said, we're really excited about this because for years we wanted to offer real true audiophile performance from a wireless system, and it just wasn't possible. Well, thankfully today it is.
Great, thanks, Andrew. And One last thing to mention about the transmitter, there's a nice little base so you can set it on a table the way it is now, but really the unit just pulls out of that base, and our thinking there was that a lot of people may want to just put that unit in behind their television, which is already mounted to the wall, and plug the optical from the television into the transmitter, and now you really just don't see anything at all, and TV is one of the options you can select. So thanks very much for joining in on our video.